Virgo.
Hey, what's up mga ka-amethyst? This is my random card reading para sa inyo mga Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising. This is actually being done on the 21st of September, the last day or few days before pumasok ang Libra. Okay? And solar eclipse today, partial solar eclipse sa ilang parts ng mundo. So, this is very significant, especially pumasok siya sa area ng Virgo. And this is your card, Queen of Spades. You will have the energy of someone who's very clear with intentions. Seryosong pakikipag-usap, seryosong pakikisama, seryosong muka. Ang ilan sa inyo, the way how you look, the way how you talk, the way how you interact, the way how you are as a person. It's going to be very clear. You will be very serious with so many things. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, October 2025, or it can happen anytime na mapanood. Hindi mo kailangang gumalaw. Hindi mo kailangan masyadong mag-effort. Less action, less mistake, but definitely very powerful. Bakit? May mga bagay na hindi mo kayang gawa ng paraan. Pero kung kailan ka nanahimik at hindi ka gumalaw, 100%. Magkakaroon ng impact sa buong buhay mo. It can last for a lifetime. It can last for a decade or two. And it can last a beautiful, established, stable life for you. You will continuously do something very beautiful. Ang mga hindi magagandang bagay na hindi mo gustong gawin ay matatapos na. Titigil na. Pero ipagpapatuloy mo yung mga bagay na gustong-gusto mong ginagawa. With less effort. Para daw, mas maging focus ka sa kung anong importante, priority mo ever since. You've prayed for this and you are being answered. Hindi lang maganda o hindi lang masyadong smooth sailing sa umpisa, but I can guarantee you, you will reveal a lot of secrets, becoming very quiet. You will have deeper, intimate prayers na magkakaroon ng malinaw na answer. And you will definitely have that realization that silence is power. So, your tarot card naman will be this. Strength in reverse is a sign kung naramdaman mong very weak, nanghihina ka, feeling mo, hindi ko kaya eh. For the past few weeks, days, or months, you have been feeling down and having chills. But definitely, because of your influence, the people around you, the people who are inspiring, motivating you, you'll have that power. Lalabas yung natural na tapang, lakas ng loob. Babakapan ka ng mga influensyang tao, susuportahan ka ng mga talinong tao, susuportahan ka ng partner mo if you have partner. If you don't have, you will be supported by someone older than you who knows you're very very good with something very important, or meron kang status. It can be a promotion, it can be a situation that will make you feel so confident. Dahil kung hindi natupad ang mga plano mo recently at walang naging hustisya at naramdaman mong hindi fair sa akin ng lahat ng tao sa paligid, and it made you very very sad for the longest period of time, you almost lost patience, and it's time for you to feel healed inside. Lalayasan ka na ng demonyo. Aalis na ang diablo sa buhay mo. Maaalis ang mga taong hindi karapat-dapat magstay sa buhay mo. Aalis na ang kapahamakan sa buhay mo. Napapagod na siya sa'yo. Napapagod na siya sa pagdarasal mo. So, with that being said, your 6, if you're living in with your fiancé, partner, hindi mo pa asawa, this is for you. You don't deserve a love triangle or deception or cheating in your life. You deserve a new beginning, a new life that's more faithful, loyal to you, and will have a big event, a beautiful impact in your life. Good luck.